Your full name is your soul's contract, and your name number is the combined frequency of your full name. Each letter in the alphabet carries its own individual frequency, and when you add up each number to its corresponding letter in your full name, it gives you your total name number vibration. You can use this chart called the unit method to calculate your name number vibration. And this is just an image taken from my book, Supreme Mathematics, A Complete Guide on Chaldean Numerology, links in my profile bio. Once you calculate your total name number vibration, which is your first, your middle, and your last, what you're going to do is reduce the sum to a singular digit number. Let's say, for example, you ended up getting 89. 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 7 makes 8. So 89 is a name number 8. Let's say, for example, you got 103. 1 plus 0 plus 3 makes a 4. So 103 is a name number 4. Let's say you ended up getting a 68. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 68 is a name number 5. Now, if you want the bigger definition of the bigger compound number, before we reduce it, for example, like 106, 35, 89, you can find those definitions in my book. But today's video is going to be about the name number 4. Once again, your name number vibration is your aura. It is your overall frequency that you give off. It is the impact you have on the world, and it is how other people see you. So it also affects your reputation. If you are a name number 4, you are a serious person who takes life seriously. You're very calm, easygoing, emotionally controlled, and you are extremely hardworking. The number 4 in numerology is the hardest working number out of all the other numbers. In order to get what you want out of life, you're going to have to outwork everybody as a 4. This number also tends to get in trouble the most, and not because they're looking for trouble, but because these people are very rebellious. And they're rebellious because they have very abstract ideas, they have very abstract thoughts, and they're extremely logical. And so as a 4, you're not going to do anything that does not make sense. A 4 needs a reason to do anything. And so if they don't have a good enough reason to do something, they're just not going to do it whatsoever, no matter who's telling them to do it. And so 4 is not a number that can just be told what to do. 4s tend to get what they want in life in their own way. These people are extremely rigid and extremely stubborn. A lot of them are really fixed in their own way of thinking and in their own way of doing things, and they thrive off of their own systems and in their own set of routines and their own set of methodical ways of solving problems. And so this is a number that's not really adaptable to other people. They're not really that good in working with teams. And a lot of these people find themselves working alone. They have a very intense work ethic, and these people have a lot of patience for their own systematic process of doing things, but they're really impatient with other people. And so these people tend to step on other people's toes. They're really harsh. They're really cutthroat. They say everything how they say everything exactly how it is. They say what they mean what they say, and they tend to hurt a lot of people's feelings. And they do also tend to be very misunderstood. They're not mean. They just want results. These people are perfectionists. They're very detail-oriented, very disciplined, very organized, and they're not known to be boastful or prideful, or not known to be flashy. 4s let their work speak for them. And so you guys are here to create tangible products that can improve the condition of this world, because 4s have the ability to see things that other people cannot see, and they're really good at picking up on patterns, because this is a very routine oriented, very consistent, very disciplined, very repetitious number. And so as a 4, chase your obsessions. This is a very obsessive number. You guys can have anything that you're obsessed with. And so as a 4, your obsessions will bring you a sense of purpose as a 4. You guys are naturally rebellious. You guys naturally don't really follow the rules. And so what I would say is you can't really be in an environment where everyone's telling you what to do, or where you feel like you can't really like express yourself or act upon your abstract ideas. So a lot of you guys, I would highly recommend you working for yourself and starting your own business. That's going to be the best thing for you guys. But if you would like a more in-depth analysis on your entire numerology chart, just click the link in my profile bio and read my book, Supreme Mathematics, A Complete Guide on Chaldean Numerology.